Would you like to be paid to help somebody to make money online? If yes, then I want you to watch this video to the very end. I'll be showing you a website that will pay you to help somebody to make money. Apart from that, this website will also show you several opportunities, several websites that will pay you real money. Whether you are interested in cryptocurrency or you are interested in PayPal money, this website will show you all of that. So if you even watch here, some of these advertisements here are all about make money online. Look at this one: fast, cheap, secure, and it's about cryptocurrency. So that is the website. So I want you to watch this video to the very end. After that, I'll be showing you a bonus that you can actually use to earn more from this website. So let's just look at some of these ads here. So you can see that all these are about make money online. Others are not online, like this one, new way to earn money online. You see, this is cannabis. So you can see this. All these are make money online opportunities that are there for you. Let's look here. Now look at some of these ones, make money online. And it is actually a forum where people have various discussions. So there are a lot of opportunities that you can actually make money. All these opportunities are at your disposal. You see, from cryptocurrency and all that. And one thing I like about this website is that even the more you participate, you get paid for being an active member of the website. So I just want to show you something. So you see here, high risk investment. We have affiliate marketing, traffic and monetization. So all these are actually opportunities for you to make money from this website. And if you want to be sure of any website that is a scam, you can come here and actually check it out. So you see, we have URL shortness, page to upload, and these are some of the websites that you can actually go to do that. There are a lot of videos online on YouTube in particular about get page to upload. So you see, this website will give you all these money making websites that you don't need any investment to get paid. So you see, get paid to programs. So we have best paid surveys, get paid to write, rewarding apps, and new get paid to click sites. So you see, all these are there. We also have design and programming. You see, look at this, design and programming. If you're a programmer, that is good. You can make money. We have domains, search engine optimization or SEO. All these are there. So let's look at here. So about us, we help each other to make money online. Get a beer and register with us. Learn how to make money, how to make a full-time job working from home like a boss. Who don't like this? So you see, this is actually the website. Now let me show you the name of this website, and it is called, so this website is called BeerMoneyForum. So it's actually a forum where you can share a lot of ideas from with your friends, your colleagues, and all that. So you see, welcome to BeerMoneyForum. We help each other to make money online. So it's actually a forum where you can share a lot of ideas with each other. And one thing I like about this website is that apart from the website showing you how to make money from other websites and giving you so many opportunities, a lot of websites that you can make money from, you can actually make money from the website itself. So you see here, get reward. You can earn rewards So let's check here. Just want to show you. So we have weekly raffles. That's a kind of lottery, and you can also earn to refer your friends. And let's check here as well, the marketplace. That is one of my favorites, because here there are giveaways, freebies, you know, and all that. Then we also have trade, where there is a lot of buy and sell, you know, going on there. So this is my account, and if you check here, you can see I have a number of messages here. This is the username I'm using in BeerMoney. So let's check here. Okay, so we check here and see. So under buy and sell, let's check what is there. So you see, people are actually trading. You can make money from this. I mean, a lot of things, whether you are an affiliate marketer or this thing. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you another trick that you can actually use to make a lot more money. So you see, this person is selling Microsoft account. Look at this account. Look at this person. He's showing you a kind of like a tutorial how to help you get a lot more points, make money from BeerMoney. And you see, this person is also trading his PayPal for crypto. This person will help you to get a lot more Instagram followers. 1,000 followers, then you pay him $1.5 dollars. So you see, all these are actually people trading. And look at this person. It's also selling auto review, Netflix, blah blah blah, very cheap, you know, product. So you can make money if you are really serious. Somebody is selling a Facebook fan page. I mean, you get that. Someone is selling only to Indians. So that is it, guys. Now let me show you something here. If you come at the bottom here, you can actually choose to go to individual forums. So let's check here. You can see investing forum. So let's click there and see what happens. So we are now under investing forum. Let's scroll down. So you see, there are a lot of activities going on here. You see, we have this one, gambling, we have hype, forex. I don't know, I'll be making a video on hype. I've had you know, this person is asking why most hype sites are scam. Personally, I do not like hype. Back in the days when I started my journey with make money online, I actually started with hype, and I lost all my money. I'll invest. You see the money growing, but you have no opportunity to withdraw the money. So that is one thing about hype. I don't like it, and I'll never advise anybody to try hype. They are scams. If you want to make money online, just try the get paid to view ads, videos, and if you want to earn a lot more, try affiliate marketing, you know, and others. But for hype, don't go there. I'll advise you, don't go there. A lot of them are scams. So they are, I mean, they wouldn't help you. You won't make any money doing that. So we have the make money forum, internet marketing. We have the get paid to. That is what this means. We have cryptocurrency and webmaster forum. So these are actually people with webmaster. These are people who have their websites or blogs, and they can equally be there and contribute, I mean, share ideas and all that. So let's look at some of the discussions going on. So you see, this is about SEO. That's about SEO. search engine optimization, how to rank your website on Google. See, so all these discussions are going on. Tips, how to rank videos, your YouTube videos and all this. So this is also about your website and all that. So there are a lot of ideas that are shared here, a lot of free tools, people also selling stuff and that, so you can make money. Now let me show you what you can do where you can earn money. So earlier I took you to this place. So these are actually where you can earn money, particularly with the raffles, the freebies and all that. So now when you make a post, actually like I told you earlier, if you are very active, you can make money from this website. Just make money being active. And there are, let's look at the FAQ here, what it says. Just want you to know that it is real, you can make money, and people are actually making money. So when you earn 3,000 points, that is $5. In fact, for some time I have not been active with this website because I got busy with my second YouTube channel and a new website that I'm creating. So I've not been really that active here, but I think I have around 50 points here. So you see, it's really a very easy way to make money, get paid to post, get paid to help somebody out and all that. So guys, I will invite you and treat all of you to join this website, get paid, learn a lot more ideas, a lot more ways that you can actually use to make money. The website has over 85,000 members, and you can imagine it's a very active website. Over 507,000 messages are currently trending. So it's a very big website, and I want you to join. So this is actually the latest person to join within the last few minutes. This is the latest person to join. So I want you to also join, and you can learn a lot more from this website. I really like this website. Personally, it has helped me so much, and I'm so excited that you will also be joining this website. I'll leave the link below so that you can join. So please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments below. Thank you. I'm out.